Hello to all students. Let's teach you how to fill your eSummer journal on your Blackboard ePortal.
Type PMEI Blackboard ePortal into your browser's search bar. Click on PMEI 1.0 Login. Select the Student option. Enter your user ID, provided by your school. Enter your password. Click Login.
Then, click on Summer Activities. The date is automated, so if you're filling out the summer journal daily, there's no need to change it. However, if you're entering details for a previous day, such as yesterday or 2 to 3 days ago, or for the entire week, you can adjust the date from here. Now, begin filling out the journal section by section, starting with the daily prayers. Mark I's if you completed the activity, and no if you did not. This section does not apply to non-Muslim students. Please enter /A in that case. Follow the same instructions for the remaining activities.
Once you've marked all responses, double-check that each one is highlighted in green. This indicates your answers have been saved. Finally, click on Submit today's activity and press OK on the notification pop-up. You can view your weekly progress at the bottom of the page. If you still need to fill out a journal entry for a previous day, remember you can only go back up to 6 days. Select the date for the journal you haven't completed or submitted yet. Fill it out. Then click on Submit today's activity. After you are done submitting for the day or week, log out the portal.